And we are live here at D.R. Horton's Glen Ellyn community, and this is the Roosevelt plan. Nice little community. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Got it all laid out here nice. Okay, I love this floor plan, nice and open. Washrooms up the front. You have your garage. Great colors, good plan. Nice open floor plan. I like this. Good job, D.R. Horton. Okay, bedroom number 2. Bathroom. Bedroom. You can get something like this right now for $280,000. Very, very cool. Let's see what kind of yard this unit has. Oh, master on the first floor also. That's nice. Okay. Very nice. Does it have a decent closet? It does. Great closet, in fact. Tall ceilings. A nice backyard, too. Let's see what we've got up here. Very cool. Nice, clean backyard. Great community. Go upstairs. So there are 3 bedrooms downstairs and 2 baths downstairs. What's this upstairs like? This is the Roosevelt plan again. Oh, it even has another bedroom. So here's the 4th bedroom and the family room and a 3rd bath. Nice. You get a lot for your money here. Is that storage? Oh yeah, storage. Christmas storage. Cute little community.